is considered the father of volleyball? A. William G. Morgan. B. James Naismith. C. George Hancock. D. Alfred Halstead. Answer: A. William G. Morgan. William G. Morgan invented volleyball in 1895 in the United States. How many players are on a volleyball team during play? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer: B. 6. A standard volleyball team consists of 6 players on the court during play. What is the maximum number of touches a team can have before the ball must be sent over the net? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer: B. 3. In volleyball, a team is allowed 3 touches to return the ball over the net. Which of the following is not a volleyball position? A. Setter. B. Libero. C. Blocker. D. Striker. Answer: D. Striker. Striker is not a recognized position in volleyball. Other common positions are setter, libero, and blocker. How high is the net for men's volleyball? A. 2.15 meters. B. 2.24 meters. C. 2.43 meters. D. 2.55 meters. Answer: C. 2.43 meters. The standard net height for men's volleyball is 2.43 meters, 7 feet 11 and 5/8 inches. How many sets are in a standard volleyball match? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 7. Answer: C. 5. Volleyball matches are usually played as a best of 5 sets. What is the name of the defensive specialist who wears a different colored jersey? A. Setter. B. Opposite. C. Libero. D. Spiker. Answer: C. Libero. The libero is a defensive specialist who wears a different colored jersey and has special rules regarding their play. Which country won the first Olympic gold medal in men's volleyball? A. USSR. B. USA. C. Brazil. D. Italy. Answer: A. USSR. The USSR won the first men's Olympic volleyball gold medal in 1964. What is the main responsibility of a setter in volleyball? A. Defending. B. Blocking. C. Setting up the attack. D. Serving. Answer: C. Setting up the attack. The setter is responsible for delivering accurate sets to attackers to initiate offensive plays. In beach volleyball, how many players are on each team? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. Answer: A. 2. Beach volleyball teams consist of 2 players per side. What is the term for when a player blocks the ball back into the opponent's court, scoring a point? A. Kill. B. Spike. C. Ace. D. Stuff block. Answer: D. Stuff block. A. Stuff block refers to a block that directly leads to a point. When was volleyball introduced to the Olympics? A. 1960. B. 1964. C. 1972. D. 1980. Answer: B. 1964. Volleyball was introduced as an Olympic sport in 1964 during the Tokyo Games. What term describes a serve that results directly in a point without the opponent touching the ball? A. Spike. B. Ace. C. Dig. D. Block. Answer: B. Ace. An ace is when the ball is served and lands in the opponent's court without being touched. How many points are required to win a volleyball set, excluding the final set? A. 15. B. 20. C. 25. D. 30. Answer: C. 25. In most volleyball formats, sets are played to 25 points, with a team needing at least a 2-point lead to win. What is the libero not allowed to do? A. Serve. B. Set. C. Block. D. Spike. Answer: C. Block. The libero cannot block or attempt to block. What type of shot is performed with the fingertips, gently placing the ball over the net? A. Spike. B. Set. C. Tip. D. Dig. Answer: C. Tip. A. Tip is a gentle shot over the net using the fingertips, often to catch the defense off guard. Which country has won the most Olympic gold medals in women's volleyball? A. USA. B. Brazil. C. USSR. D. China. Answer: C. USSR. The USSR has won the most Olympic gold medals in women's volleyball. What is the official diameter of a volleyball? A. 20 to 21 cm. B. 21 to 22 cm. C. 22 to 23 cm. D. 23 to 24 cm. Answer: B. 21 to 22 cm. The diameter of a standard volleyball is 21 to 22 cm. How many points are required to win the fifth set in a volleyball match? A. 15. B. 20. C. 25. D. 30. Answer: A. 15. The deciding fifth set is played to 15 points, with a minimum 2-point lead. What is the primary goal of blocking in volleyball? A. To set the ball. B. To stop the ball from crossing the net. C. To confuse the opponent. D. To serve the ball. Answer: B. To stop the ball from crossing the net. The block aims to prevent the ball from crossing the net and stop an attack. Which term describes a player rotating to the back row and becoming a back row defender? A. Libero. B. Outside hitter. C. Middle blocker. D. Setter. Answer: A. Libero. The libero is a back row specialist focusing on defense. Who is the only player allowed to serve in volleyball? A. Setter. B. Middle blocker. C. Anyone on the team. D. Libero. Answer: C. Anyone on the team. Any player may serve when they rotate into the service position. What is the governing body of international volleyball? A. FIFA. B. FINA. C. FIVB. D. IOC. Answer: C. FIVB. The Fédération Internationale de Volleyball, FIVB, is the international governing body for the sport. How many timeouts does a team get per set in volleyball? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer: B. 2. Each team is allowed 2 timeouts per set in volleyball. How long does a volleyball match typically last? A. 30 to 45 minutes. B. 1 to 1.5 hours. C. 2 to 3 hours. D. 4 hours. Answer: C. 2 to 3 hours. A volleyball match typically lasts 2 to 3 hours, depending on the number of sets played.